So want to parallel park behind the longer vehicle, this time a school bus. Okay, let's see how this is gonna work. All right, so we're approaching the school bus. We'll parallel park behind the school bus. So you put your signal, check your mirror, check your shoulder, slide closer. Now, because it's a longer vehicle, you cannot park like beside mirror to mirror like this, right? If you do that, there's no way you will be able to park properly. So the best place to really stop in a situation like this, like I explained in one other video, is to align your back tires with the other vehicle's back lights. All right, then once you're in that position, you can start your parallel parking. Now we are going. Right. So that's how you parallel park behind a longer vehicle. Or you don't do mirror to mirror. Okay, what you should aim for is your back tires aligning with the other vehicle's rear lights. Let's do it one more time. So I'm going to pull back. Approaching the school bus, put your signal, check your mirror, check your shoulder, slide a bit closer. Okay, now we align our tires to the school bus rear light. See, easy peasy. All right, thank you guys. I hope you've learned something. If you did, please click on the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for your time, and I wish you the very best as you prepare for your SGI road test. You take care, and bye-bye.